say, a pretty damp day out there. One of those days that you want to stay inside.
I know, stay under the blankets. Yeah.
I know, yes, gray, damp, but the drizzle doesn't add up to much, so it doesn't exactly help our lakes a whole lot, but we'll take the moisture that we can get. One thing it's been doing is keeping down the pollen count, except for mold, which is low, but even that has been heading downward over the last 24 hours. You can see how it looks in Georgetown from our Ewell Kubota weather camera there right along I-35, where we've got low clouds and areas of fog. In most places, the fog is not that thick yet, but notice what our computer models suggest and what we're on board with as far as the fog and visibility forecast as we start tomorrow morning. You may want to set the alarm about 10 minutes early tomorrow to give yourself a little more time to get to where you need to be, work, school, whatever, because the fog and low visibility could cause some travel issues here tomorrow morning, with a lot of us seeing visibility less than half a mile at the beginning of the day. Not much of an improvement by 9, but we should see the visibilities lifting as we head toward the end of the morning and midday, but a murky start to the day tomorrow. You thought today was murky and drizzly? Well, tomorrow's thicker fog. We've got this swirling low pressure over Southern California right now, helping to feed moisture into Texas. That's where all these clouds are coming from. And we're also getting the sprinkles, drizzle, and occasional light showers. We expect that as we head through the overnight hours into tomorrow, the rain coverage goes up a little bit, but we'll still be dealing with the drizzle and sprinkles. Even if there wasn't a rain shower over your head, it's going to feel damp much of the day. More of the same as we head through tomorrow afternoon. All the rain that comes down during the day tomorrow looks light. And then things start to change as we get into late Wednesday evening and night as a line of downpours and storms starts to set up to our west and then moves into the hill country. We think that that line arrives into the hill country just before midnight, and it actually starts to strengthen a little bit as it nears the Austin metro just before the sun comes up Thursday morning. So these storms may be locally strong, perhaps severe, although on the low end of severe, but could produce some very heavy rain at a somewhat inconvenient time. The morning commute Thursday looks rather stormy and wet with heavy rain moving through the I-35 corridor. That rain moves into our eastern counties mid to late morning and then clears the area as we head into Thursday afternoon. So primarily the rain is just a morning issue. But don't forget about it Thursday morning either. So we could have two back-to-back rough commutes. The first one with the fog tomorrow and then the rain Thursday morning. But then the sun comes out Thursday afternoon and then we're up to near 70. So tonight temperatures don't change much from where they are now. Cloudy and foggy with areas of drizzle and a few showers. We'll have mostly light showers mixed with the drizzle and sprinkles tomorrow. Cloudy but warmer. 69, 59 here tomorrow night as the rain and storm coverage increases, especially overnight into Thursday morning, where our rain chances are pretty high both tomorrow night and Thursday morning. Then Thursday afternoon, the sun comes out and we're up to 70. Severe weather risk, it's on the low end, but some marginally large hail and damaging wind is possible and localized flash flooding. But we think we're going to be able to handle most of this rain, 1/2 inch to 2 inches expected across much of the area. And then we're dry, sunny, and actually rather nice. Sunshine Friday, 71, low 70s Saturday, upper 70s on Sunday. Mostly sunny Monday and 76, then a few more clouds and a low 10% rain chance next Tuesday.